Robot vacuums have come a long way since the set it and forget it. Then come back to find it trapped under a bookshelf. Days. Once they used to just sweep the room in a single, seemingly random pattern. In 2013, LG came out with its HomBot, a vac that lets you choose from a variety of cleaning modes. 3 years and a $100 price increase later, LG has a new version of the HomBot that looks and acts much the same. But has this robot learned anything new? Can you just open the box and start vacuuming? Maybe. Ours actually came with a single bar of juice remaining, but we hooked up the home docking station and let its battery fully charge anyway. You will have to insert the dustbin or face a scolding by a robotic female voice. Please check if the dustbin is installed with a filter. Quote, "This is actually nice, because otherwise the vac would probably spit the sucked up gunk everywhere." At 13, 4 inches by 13, 4 inches and 3.5 inches tall, the HomBot is squarish and short, which means it's less likely to get stuck under furniture than some other bot vacs we've tested. It has 5 touch buttons on its top. A start-stop button, one for turning on the turbo setting, one to pick the cleaning mode, one for sending the bot home, and one to flip open the lid for bin access, as well as a display that shows the time, the mode it's in, the battery level, and whether or not it's in turbo. The surface is extremely prone to fingerprints, so keep that in mind if you care about keeping your cleaning machine pristine. The bin is very easy to remove. Just pull up on the green handle and it lifts out easily. There's a button to press to lift the bin's lid. But sometimes gross, dusty bits came falling out of the side of the bin if the flap wasn't properly closed. Underneath, there are a pair of side brushes that spin around to sweep Cheerios, or what have you, in front of the section. There's also a roller brush for picking up things like cat hair. 2 wheels, the charging terminals, and the cliff detection and lower camera sensors are here, too. You can remove the roller brush easily, which is important, as it can get pretty furry. While the remote eyes